Good morning, everybody. Let's see what's going on. We got green futures. It was much more green, but then the Apple news hit it. So let's see what's going on. Pre-market five was already dead cross even before the Apple news came in, and the 15 is the downward. 30 got a dead cross on this drop, and the 1 hour is curved down. 4 hour, even though market futures were green, still was TTM squeeze were red, and the daily is curved down. Yep. So we'll see what's gonna happen. What's happening and something interesting that's happening last few days is that market opens lower and then it jumps up. Then toward the end of the day gets weak and then same repeats next day. So last 3 days it's been like that. It's a good opportunity. I mean, futures don't move that much. It's in a range. It's consolidating, but there is a lot of opportunity. AMD is one of the biggest example. Every day something happens. It opens lower, boom, it jumps up. Then next day, repeat again, repeat. And Tesla gives a lot of opportunities. So there is a lot of yo-yos happening. And on top of that, this is a short week, but apparently so far no short week theory happening so far. It's Today is Tuesday, and we got only 2 days left. After today, we have only 2 days left of the week, so we'll see. Not always happens short week theory, and we have earnings coming up. Netflix earning is February April 16, which is the same week that's the OPEX, and so we have 2 3 weeks left until earnings season. And here's the thing about earnings season. A lot of names went up crazy last season and then this season too. So we'll see if they're gonna lock gains before the earning or they're gonna squeeze it up. So we be prepared for it. So just know that next 2 3 weeks there's gonna be even bigger moves to happen. Anyhow, NQ 5 is downward, 15:30, 1 hour. 1 hour is pointing down too. TTM squeeze is still red bars, and two. All right, same thing like ES, white Dow Jones. Hit the 40K finally. Let's see how long it's gonna take to hit 50K. 15 and 30 is downward, so that one same thing. RUT kind of flat on daily. Was it strong yesterday, but Apple news is hurting the market today. DXY 4 hours pointing down between 104 and 103. These two levels just up and down for now. Breaks either way can have a bigger effect on market. TNX hovering around 42 45. Not a clear signal right now. Weekly is upward, daily is kind of flat, so it's just going up and down between 40 and 43. So we'll see if it's gonna break. For now, TNX not that much big effect on market so far. Wix 1307 opening above it yesterday was interesting. Open high and then all the way went down, and that was a good sign for market for running up. And right now it's back to 1307, so we'll see if it's gonna go below it. Goes below it, market is squeeze up. Goes higher, not good for market. 1373 is a key level to watch in case market wants to fall. BTC 4 hours still bullish upward, most likely establishing a range. Big jump up last 2 days, and right now it's hovering around 70K. So we'll see if it's gonna which way it's gonna go. Until we don't have a dark blue bar, it's still possible to run up. Apple, it was 170 something, and then news hit and boom, dump. So it is possible that opens and have some fallout open. If it falls, 169.85 is a key level to watch. Breaks that, we're looking at 168, 167, 166.15. But if 171 again, the buyers jump in. 171.47 key level to watch. Past that one, next major 173.54 pre-market, looking very bearish from 5 to 15. 1 hour is not dead cross yet. If that one confirms, not gonna be good. Amazon is very strong near 180 last yesterday and today so far. Um, Still above 180 opening, so key level to watch is 180 142 is a season high. If it opens and passes that one, 182.06 is the next key level to watch. Looking very bullish on the 31 hour and 4 hour. Daily is curved up, so it does have a chance to run up. 182.06 past that one, next major is 185 and 188. Earning is coming up on Not sure, not a set date yet, but most likely after 422 week. So if 182 passes, look for 185, 188 to come. Nvidia, just they keep killing premiums on every pullback, and yesterday they did the same thing. It was a very weak close, but again gap up open. But keep in mind, at some point it is possible to have some pullback. Everybody wants the 1000 to come. We'll see if it's gonna come or not. Still very bullish on the weekly in general. Daily is curved up, but week on the 4 hour we got dark blue bars, and the 1 hour is dead cross. So we'll see what's gonna happen. No clear direction right now. Pre-market is gap up, so key level to watch is 960.94, 956.83. Breaks either one, can have a bigger move above 965. We're looking at 973, 980, 982. If it goes crazy, 994, 1010, 1010, 63 is the next super major level. AVGO follows Nvidia. So far, 4 hour MACD is dead crossing. In general, daily MACD golden cross, but some weakness there for now, and probably some range establishing until we'll see which way is gonna break. 1364 is pre-market high, breaks that one. 1389 is the next major. If 1341 can hold it, supports 1320 and 1304. Coin non-stop going up thanks to Bitcoin, but pre-market right now showing a little bit of weakness. 1531 hours downward. 4 hour we got dark blue bars, so 281 if we can hold it, 277, and those are the next support levels to watch. Need to pass 287, and pre-market is 287.5, pass that one. Next major is 293. Above that, next major levels are as you can see here, 318, 344. Netflix too. No the clear bullish signal pre-market. So 625, 631. Those are the range to watch. 631 past 636, 641, 625 if you can hold it, 621, 619. Meta, 4 hours downward, daily is downward. It's holding 500 strong, but at the same time it's having a hard time breaking 510. So key levels to watch for today is 503 and 507. 507.88 pass. We're looking at 511, 514. And if 503 can hold it, supports are 501, 499, 497. It was interesting yesterday. It opened, it had a nice dip, and then right away fast bounce up. Let me show you guys. So just keep that in mind. Meta recently, last few months, it made huge moves first 10 minutes, then it does the opposite very fast. Tesla, finally a big gap up, big gap up. Yesterday was very interesting. As soon as it opens, didn't even give a minute. Boom, it's just non-stop big jump up, 4 points. And that's a big sign. When you see a name opens and jumps up like that at the open and then it pulls back, that's a gift. I mean, it's a gift that it jumps up like that at the open, then it pulls back. That's a bigger gift that pulls back, because it gives you opportunity to get in again. And then on top of that, we got the news at FST, and it's interesting right now. The good news is affecting better Tesla. If you notice, like yesterday, Tesla got a cut downgrade, but then stock fell and opened lower. Today got a cut too, but it's gapping up. So and then got the FST and stuff. So Italy news. So it's everything is just helping it right now. So getting a little bit more optimistic on Tesla for now. 4 hour got a golden cross, bullish upward. 1 hour very bullish upward. 15 and 30 not that much good signs. 15 is already dead cross. 30 got a dark blue bar. It's near dead cross. So key level to watch is 177.59, 178.95. Still not impossible to have these kind of drops, okay, but in general trend is up. So 177.59, if it can hold it, 174, 172, 170, doubted 170 goes, but 174 is possible. Dip if it dips, but 178.95, keep an eye on that one. If 180 breaks, we're looking at 181, 183. 183 is high chance to come this week, but if it breaks that one, we can go close to 190 with this 4 hour MACD upward. And if another good news comes, I mean, Tesla can get crazier. Earning is on 415, so we'll see if we can get close to 200. Microsoft, Gap down a little bit. Nope, 2 point. I'm sorry, 2 points up. It went up to 426 and 2 points. It went 2 point lower, but it's still opening up. Pre-market 1530 is downward. Not a clear signal. It just mixed. Everything is up and down. So 423.83, 425.96. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can make a bigger move above that 427 and 427 if it passes. Those are the higher level. Below 423, 421, 420 is the next support. Google to do 4 hour is still downward. 1 hour got a golden cross pre-market, so 151, 151.55. That's a key level to watch. If it can break that one, then we can go to 152.76, 154, 156. But so far, 4 hour we don't have a golden cross yet. I like that the weekly MACD is golden cross here on Google. That's a very good thing. And in general, daily is still very bullish. Maybe some news, maybe something comes and it breaks. Maybe not. We'll see. If 148 can hold it, 146 is the next support. AMD, big jump up yesterday and a huge jump up, huge. Just this is happening very often last 2 3 weeks. So well, eventually it's gonna be a non-stop back-to-back 2 3 days run up. But for now, I hope toward upward, not toward downward. But because the daily is downward, it's still we got TTM squeeze still red bars, and the weekly is curved down. But every day it goes down, it jumps back up big. So yeah, we'll see. Anyhow, it's opening in around 180, so 179.28 is a key level to watch. If it can hold it, can run back down to 176.45 and 173.62 next major level. Need to pass pre-market high, which is 181.3. Past that, we're looking at 180, 177, 183.31. If 183 breaks, which is kind of high of the last 2 weeks, then the next major level we're watching is 184.52, 186.48, and 188.44. 188 is this major level to watch. It was the last high of last last few sessions. So yeah, Boeing was very interesting. I mentioned it yesterday. This is known to have a dump, and it opened and then boom, it dumped. And yeah, so right now it's hovering around 192. 4 hours curved down, 1 hour is kind of flat. Daily MACD is still in general is still bullish and upward, but the weekly is still bearish. So 192.17, two key levels to watch: 190 and 193 breaks. Either one can have a bigger up move. Above 193 can go to 194, 190 back to 196.91. If 190 can hold it, those are the support levels to watch. SPY opening 1 2 points higher. It was much higher, but thanks to Apple it fell. So 520, 522.39. Those are the two key levels to watch. Breaks either one can have a bigger move. Pre-market same like ES 1530 downward, 1 hour is curved down, and it's still 4 hour. We got red bars. Once you get a yellow bar and a TTM squeeze, and then the MACD golden cross, then the indexes can go up. Same thing like on QQQ. 4 hour, it just colors are mixed signal there, but once the 4 hour MACD golden cross, then we can have a solid run up. 446, 445, those are the levels right now is hovering, going in between. So breaks either one can have a bigger move. Above 446, next target is 449, 451.3, and below 445 we're looking at 443, 442, and 441.03. What else you got here? ARM was very hot at open yesterday, so 141.94. If it can break that one, 140, 144, 146 is the next major level. Index says SPY is still falling. Yep, so 30, if 1 hour dead cross is not gonna be good today. Disney was very hot at open yesterday. 119.95 past 120.89, 122.08. What else you got here? MSTR going crazy. This one 1909 past, we're looking at the 1975 and 2059. And then if 2059 passes, if it gets crazier, next targets are 2191, 2404, and 2618. MSCR can make irrational moves. It did before, it can do it again. Maybe 26 comes, 2600. What else? SMCI gap up 40 points. That's a lot. So to do this one, watch 1095. If it passed that one, we're looking at 1115, 1147. What else you got here? That's pretty much on the major names. GME was very strong yesterday too. 1561. If you pass that one, earning is today after close. So 1561. We're looking at 1688, 1816. Those are the next major level. Um, Divak name changed to DJT, and that's gonna be interesting. It's already opening 10 points higher, so yeah, keep an eye on that one. Um, RDT was going crazy yesterday, and I missed it that it had options. And yeah, so today is the second day it has options. If it goes crazier, next major levels to watch is 78.43 and 99.06. What else? Bidu was going up, and then it went down on news that Apple is not done yet talking to them, but it's making a recovery. RDT I did, Tesla I did, VKTX. Good morning, everybody. Um, to VKTX. Oh, big jump up there. Wow. So and finally jumped. So this one, 78, 32, and 83 right now, it's inside that range. 83.3 pass. Next major level is 93.35, 99.41. This one, yep. Thank you so much for bringing this up to me. Um, ARM I did, SMCI I did, and LRCX to LRCX 4 hour is near having a dead cross, but it's not confirmed yet. Mixed signal. This one doesn't have volume, pre-market or aftermarket, so it's hard to tell. Just gonna tell you by levels. If 982 pass, we're looking at 996 and 1013 next major level. 1007 was the high of the high of this season. If it passes, can get really interesting. 972 if you can hold it, 962, 950, and those are the lower level to watch. SPY continues going lower, so just keep that in mind. If the 1 hour dead cross confirms, not gonna be good today. And Apple and Nvidia are direction setters of the day. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.